Hey everybody, it's Tesla Duda once again, and I add some bling to my Model 3 today. I couldn't pass up the sale that Amazon was having on Prime Day, so got a little bit of bling here. Got the lighted door sills from Show. I think that the stock sills are attractive. They're fine. They look good. No problem. Except, of course, there's nothing in the back. Not that it's really needed in the back, but there's another ulterior motive I had for wanting to install these things, which I'm about to show you. I bought my Tesla used from Tesla, and everything about this car was just flawless, perfect. Everything was beautiful. Okay, still is. Except there was this really weird dent I discovered at some point on the sill. You can see it right there. And it's also, it's like as wide as my finger. I mean, it's into the paint also. So I don't really mind covering that up. I'd sure like to know what happened there. It's a strange mystery. And you've had a lot of people show you the installation procedure before, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But here's the end result, which I will bore you with. And it looks absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. Now on to the rest of the doors. So it's literally a 10 to 15 minute installation, super easy. And like everyone else says, there's a little low spot, there's a place to center that. And it also comes with tools to help you align it, little stickers to put on there. So when you're fastening it for real, you know it's in the right spot. And we'll come around. Look at the back passenger door. Beautiful. Very nice. Looks like it was always meant to be there. There you go. No longer see that big dent that was in the original piece. You can still see a little bit of the dimple in the body, but the light really distracts from it, and that's all you look at. It looks beautiful. So if you're wanting a set of these for your car, just use my link below there and I'll get a couple of cents, but you know, it won't cost you anything extra. And they come in different colors: carbon fiber, black, gloss, whatever you want to do. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing.